Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what's hot is defence, because this week UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer unveiled the Strategy Defence Review with a pledge to raise defence spending on things such as 12 attack submarines, munitions, and long range weapons, amongst other things. Now, without warmongering, certain listed companies have assets that could become part of the defence ecosystem. Look at NATO's list of 12 defence critical raw materials essential for the defence industry, and you'll see the minerals and metals required to build defence systems and equipment. Well, most military applications require copper, and the Ministry of Defence, as a possible client, wasn't a question that I posed to the chief executive of Ajax Resources, which has just transitioned from a special purpose acquisition vehicle, or a SPAC, to a near-term producer after buying the Eureka copper gold project in Argentina. Of course, copper has many other applications as it's tied to the global electrification and energy transition trend. Well, submarines, artillery, and fighter aircraft all need titanium, which Empire Metals says it has in abundance. Well, on the day the Strategy Defence Review was unveiled, the company announced a major drilling campaign at its Pitfield project to target high-grade titanium mineralization. Well, fighter aircraft also needs gallium, which is the versatile, rare and strategic metal typically used in electronics, semiconductors, solar panels, light emitting diodes. And gallium was the surprise find at Altona Rare Earths Monte Muambe asset in Mozambique. That company's share price almost doubled at the end of May. Now, one company which has just come into being just ahead of the defence review was Defence Holdings plc, which is the first specialised next generation publicly traded defence company. Now, the business, what does it do? Well, it aims to develop and acquire advanced sensors, AI driven analytics, secure communications, and platforms that enhance the operational advantage of its customers across land, sea, air, space, and cyber domains. Also, think drones. Well, last week it raised £3 million in an oversubscribed placing, and directors have plenty of skin in the game. Early days for that business, but definitely one to watch. And finally, from the new to the established, BAE Systems, which is the largest manufacturer in the UK. It's involved in multinational aerospace, military, and information security. The share has appreciated in part due to a share buyback program, but it's also got quite a significant backlog of orders, almost £78 billion worth. So best get a shifty on. Hope you're well. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.